Make a great choice today with the 2018 MKC. The Lincoln MKC is a stylish and nimble-handling luxury crossover vehicle. With a long list of standard features, the MKC is sure to please. The exterior and interior offer a contemporary look that is sure to turn some heads. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, backup camera. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
With Lincoln certified pre-owned vehicles, you can rest assured that you're getting a vehicle you can count on. All Lincoln certified vehicles go through a thorough inspection by factory trained technicians and come with a comprehensive warranty. And just to ease your mind, they also provide 24/7 roadside assistance. Check out your local Lincoln dealer today to find out all the other benefits buying a Lincoln certified vehicle can offer you.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.